Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into health and wellness topics to empower you with knowledge. Today, we're exploring testosterone, what it is, how certain foods can boost it, its inverse effects, and the best exercises to increase its levels. Whether you're looking to improve your health, fitness, or both, you're in the right place. Let's get started. What is testosterone? Testosterone is a hormone that is primarily produced in the testicles in males and in smaller amounts in the ovaries in females. It plays a crucial role in the development of male reproductive tissues and promotes secondary sexual characteristics such as increased muscle mass, bone density, and body hair growth. Testosterone also plays a role in overall health and well-being, including regulating sex drive, mood, and energy levels. Which food ingredients increase testosterone level? It's important to note that while certain foods may contain nutrients that support overall hormonal health, there is no single food that can significantly boost testosterone levels on its own. Testosterone production is primarily regulated by the endocrine system and is influenced by a variety of factors including genetics, age, lifestyle choices, and overall health. That being said, incorporating certain types of foods into your diet that are rich in specific nutrients known to support testosterone production may be beneficial for maintaining hormonal balance. Here are some examples of foods that contain nutrients important for testosterone production. Zinc is a mineral that plays a key role in testosterone synthesis. Foods high in zinc include oysters, red meat, poultry, beans, nuts, and whole grains. Vitamin D is essential for overall health and may also support healthy testosterone levels. Foods high in vitamin D include fatty fish such as salmon and mackerel, fortified dairy products, and egg yolks. Healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil, are important for hormone production, including testosterone. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues in the body, including hormone-producing glands. Foods high in protein, such as lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, and dairy products, can support overall hormone health. Magnesium is a mineral that plays a role in testosterone production. Foods rich in magnesium include leafy green vegetables, nuts, seeds, whole grains, and legumes. A diet high in fiber from fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help regulate blood sugar levels and prevent, which may indirectly support healthy testosterone levels. While incorporating these foods into your diet may support overall hormonal health, it's important to remember that individual responses to dietary changes can vary. Which activities increase and decrease testosterone level can have a significant impact on testosterone levels. Engaging in regular exercise, particularly strength training and interval training HIIT, has been shown to help boost testosterone levels. These types of exercises stimulate the production of testosterone and promote overall hormonal balance, such as weightlifting, squats, deadlifts, and push-ups can be particularly effective in increasing testosterone levels. These exercises help build muscle mass, which in turn can support healthy testosterone production. HIIT workouts, which involve short bursts of intense activity followed by brief rest periods, have also been shown to positively influence testosterone levels. On the other hand, certain activities or lifestyle factors may have a testosterone levels. High levels of stress can lead to increased production of cortisol, a stress hormone that can interfere with testosterone production. Inadequate sleep can disrupt hormone regulation and lead to imbalances, including lower testosterone levels. Additionally, a sedentary lifestyle and excess body fat can contribute to hormonal imbalances and lower testosterone levels. It's important to find a balance in your physical activity routine, incorporating a mix of strength training, cardiovascular exercise, and rest to support overall hormonal health. Prioritizing regular exercise, managing stress effectively, getting adequate sleep, and maintaining a healthy weight can all contribute to optimal healthcare provider for personalized guidance and recommendations. By making informed choices about your physical activity and lifestyle habits, you can support healthy hormone balance and overall well-being. Symptoms of high or low testosterone levels can vary depending on the individual and the underlying cause of the imbalance. Here are some common signs and symptoms associated with high and low testosterone levels. Low testosterone levels, hypogonadism. High testosterone levels, hypergonadism. If you are experiencing symptoms that suggest imbalances in testosterone levels, it is important to consult with a healthcare provider for proper evaluation and testing. Blood tests can help determine your testosterone levels and identify any underlying issues that may be contributing to hormonal imbalances. Treatment options, such as lifestyle changes, hormone replacement therapy, or medications, may be recommended based on your individual needs and health goals. Thanks for tuning into our deep dive on testosterone. Remember, balancing your hormones is crucial for overall health. Implement these tips and watch your well-being transform. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health wisdom. Share your journey in the comments. Here's to a healthier, stronger you.